Welcome to the Bullitt Outdoors YouTube channel. I'm sure you're well familiar with that beast right there. 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo, but you're not familiar with this. 2020 Genesis Supreme 19SS toy hauler. This is its fourth voyage out, and I really like it. So I figured start with more of the business end of things here. So right now it's set up as the deck, the patio deck with the screen. But there she be. That's where you load her in. So as it's set up right now, of course, you know, deck chairs and got your little camp stove. We'll take a walk to the other side here in a moment. As we make our way in, as you see, it's a normal toy hauler. It's one of those where you end up parking right in the kitchen. So again, this is a 2020 Genesis Supreme 19SS. It's considered a 19-foot trailer. You have the bunk bed there, queen size. You have the couches. Now I removed this one. I'll explain that in a moment here. The couches will fold out to another bed. Then you have the forward bed here. That's a full size. Of course, your bathroom. Stainless sink. Of course, you got a mirror. Porcelain. Full surround sound, inside, outside. Of course, you have AC. And you have a furnace. And that thing's a beast, man. That puts out some heat. Now, it's one of the things that I've gone over many times. Like, okay, do I go with a Class C RV and then, you know, pull the RZR on the trailer like normal? Do I, you know, find an older pickup or something and flatbed it and carry a normal trailer? Or do I just bite the bullet and do a toy hauler? And I'm not a fan of toy haulers. I really am not. I just don't like the way that, you know, the vehicle takes up so much space and that the interior is compromised, but I went ahead and did it anyway. Bit the bullet, so to speak. So this is kind of the business side of things here on this side of the trailer. You do have an outside shower. That's where your fridge is, your furnace, hot water on demand. So on mine, I opted without the generator. So I got that bad boy over there. If you do get the model with the generator, it goes here. Now the issue I could see with that is you lose a ton of storage if you opt for the version with the generator. Because once that generator's in there, you have no room for storage for anything. And that's one thing that I really didn't, I don't know, maybe anticipate or didn't really consider as much, is that's one thing this trailer does not have, is storage. So like up here, you know, you got your basic stuff up here. I got luggage up there. I don't have anything in here, but of course you have your wardrobe that you can hang. You can keep like towels and stuff in there. You have an overhead storage there, which really doesn't hold much. There's not much that can go underneath the sink. And then, you know, whatever, down here. And then you got up here, whatever you want. I don't have anything in there yet. I keep the screen and everything up there for transport. It comes with the one chair and table. And as I said, it comes with the two couches. So 2 fold-down couches, and it comes with 2 of these tables. I removed that couch to make it easier to load the RZR. It makes it way easier. And so with that removed, I went ahead and just stowed away the extra table. So there's all the camera gear and everything for video editing set up. This is a Happy Jack bunk bed system. Really cool. Pretty easy to use. Not a big deal. And of course you have the screen. I can go out onto the patio deck. So tomorrow what I'll do is intercut a clip of video that shows the RZR actually loaded in here. You can see the actual space that it uses. But the Genesis brand of trailers are very, very nice. Of course, you know, when you're looking at toy haulers, you're like, okay, you're probably looking at Coachman Catalinas. You're looking at maybe the Wolf, like Wolf Packs. But the Genesis, I mean, look, it comes with raceline wheels. Come on, man. And I believe these are G-rated. Oh, F. So we got F-rated tires on raceline wheels. Full wood construction on the inside. Very nice. Arctic package comes being in Colorado. Pretty cool. That bed ain't too bad. That bed is actually pretty comfortable. Queen size. Fits too comfortably. Alright, let's intersperse the video now with a clip of the RZR in the trailer. And as you see, it is a tight squeeze. You still have room for your generator, of course. So keep in mind this is a 2-seat turbo, 5+2 wheels, and of course 32, 10, 14 STIs. So there you got it. So you see why I removed the extra couch. It just makes it way easier to load in. Otherwise you're coming in way crooked trying to squeeze it in here. It just wasn't worth it. Plenty of roof clearance. No problem there at all. So as you see, it's a tight squeeze. Everything's all packed up. Ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna take you back outside. Alright. So in conclusion, this is the Genesis Supreme 19SS. There should be in all her glory. There's the Super Duty. So this has been Bullitt Outdoors. If you like what I do, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.